Hey everybody, I'm back with a new video, top of the year. Happy New Year to everybody. This style I will be doing another updo ponytail. She's getting a swoop, but the swoop is going up into the ponytail, and she's going to get like heavy sideburns. So I'm setting some hair outside in the back. She want to get two little small curls in the back. So I'm going to section those off so they don't get in the way. Also going to be sectioning off her sideburns, and she wanted like this little small swoop on the side opposite of her swoop bang. So I'll be sectioning that off and pulling that up too. So for her ponytail, the products I will be using to mold her hair up will be Maurice beeswax, which I'm using now, and then I'm going to use, of course, my got to be freezing spray. For her sideburns, she wanted them pretty heavy and thick, so I added a couple of pieces on this side of her, and I will repeat it on the other side. So for her swoop bang, she wanted me to add a few pieces to her swoop, and I did because she said she wanted it to last a little longer. And sometimes it does help. Weave does help make the swoop last longer. So yeah, I think I added maybe 3. She didn't really need too many pieces. So with these kind of swoops, the ones that don't go into the ponytail, you gotta pretty much spray and make sure the product is dry because it will mess up. And what's pretty much saving her is she's getting bobby pins added to hold it down. Yeah, it was kind of a challenge for me. It took me a little longer than usual, but yeah, I did it. But the bobby pins did help. So I didn't get a video of me curling the whole ponytail, but yes, I did. I curled the whole ponytail. So I'm just taking pieces, and kind of just pin curling it loosely. Well, loosely, but not tight at the same time. Like I want the ends to kind of stick out to make it look messy. So for this top part, I did some kind of twist knot thing because she wanted it to have a little height and she wanted some loose curls at the very top. So I did the little twist knot thing and I pinned it out to the side. So I'm doing pin curls now and I'm kind of like sticking it into the twist knot that I did up top. So this is the hair that's left over, and I'm just gonna do like just some little Shirley Temple curls. I don't know if y'all still call them that, but curly curls, whatever you want to call it. I know they're kind of tight right now, but you know, curls end up falling, so it probably ended up turning out exactly how she wanted it to be once her party started, because she had a party that night. So with the rest of the hair that's left from her swoop bang, I just curled it. Just threw a curl in it. Had it laying toward her, toward the other sideburn. And that's pretty much it for that style. She liked it. And yep, that's the finished result. I wish I could have saw it once the curls fell, but I still liked it.